Breaking capacity of an MCB ICU ICN and its importance. The breaking capacity, also called short circuit breaking capacity of an MCB, is the maximum fault current it can safely interrupt without being damaged. It's represented by two main ratings: ICU, ultimate breaking capacity, used for industrial MCBs, IEC 60,947-2 standard, Icn nominal breaking capacity, used for household MCBs, IEC 60,898-1 standard. Why breaking capacity matters. 1. Safety hazard prevention. If a short circuit current exceeds the MCB's breaking capacity, the breaker may fail to trip properly, potentially causing electrical fires, equipment damage, safety risks to personnel. 2. System reliability. Ensures the MCB can handle worst-case electrical faults that might occur in the system. 3. Code compliance. Electrical standards require MCBs to have adequate breaking capacity for their installation location. How to determine the required breaking capacity. 1. Calculate the prospect of fault current PFC. This is the maximum possible short circuit current asterisk that could flow in your electrical system. Key factors affecting transformer size and impedance, cable length and resistance, system voltage. 2. Select an MCB with adequate breaking capacity. Common breaking capacity ratings: standard residential 6 kA or 10 kiloamperes, commercial buildings 1 OK to 15 kiloamperes, industrial plants to 5 kA to 100 kiloamperes. Selection rule: always choose an MCB whose breaking capacity is higher than your system's PFC. 3. Consider future expansion. It's often wise to select a slightly higher breaking capacity to account for future system upgrades, changes in electrical infrastructure, safety margins. Practical example: a small workshop with a calculated PFC of 8.5 kiloamperes. MCB selection. Minimum required: 1 OK breaking capacity. Recommended choice: 1 OK AMCB. Next standard rating: above 8.5 kiloamperes. Breaking capacity is the maximum fault current an MCB can safely interrupt. Must be greater than your system's prospective fault current PFC. Standard ratings range from 6 kiloamperes household to 100 kiloamperes industrial. Insufficient breaking capacity can lead to *** dangerous failures. Always verify against your specific electrical system requirement.